in there. Hey guys, alright, so my brother is now in the clothes. My mom yelled. Not at me, it's not Christian.
I guess that was right.
But yeah, they're, I think so. And I'm not sure if that corn was right there. I'm not sure if it was right there when I made the first video. And I had to stop it, I didn't want my mom to know that I recorded this. So it's like all our toilets. How many baths do we have? How many bathrooms do we have?
4.
Alright, we have 4 bathrooms. This is, this is my brother's. There's 3 bathrooms up there. My bathroom, my mom's bathroom, and a hallway bathroom.
A guest bathroom.
Or a guest bathroom, whatever. Yeah, those don't have nothing to do with this. It's just the sewer, the pumping, the plumbing. It sucks.
No, it broke.
It broke.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, it broke. And this toilet, it doesn't work anymore. If we flush it, it would just it won't.
Sometimes it does, but
yeah, sometimes it will.
Sometimes.
And it's warm. It's warm. I feel it. It's warm.
Really? No. That's a water from my temperature. I'll keep jumping.
Come on! Get out of there!
Okay.
Now! Stop moving around!
Alright. It is nasty. So I don't think I could piss. I don't think I could use my bathroom because if I flush it, it would make it worse. Because all the toilets go to that pipe, and damn it, I need to charge my chargeable batteries for my camera. I really hope my toilet is not. This is what I was looking for. I'm looking for this. For my slushy maker. Oh, this is on. I'm not sure if anything. I want to see if anything happened to my toilet. Because this is my bathroom. It's a clean bathroom. Have a nice bathroom stall right there. Toilet, sink. So, alright, there's nothing wrong with my toilet. So, yeah, it's not the best idea to flush. Alright. Alright. Alright, there's nothing wrong with my toilet or sink. Probably the shower is gonna affect it, but yeah. Well, that really sucks. What? Mom, I just heard my mom said that Andre, my baby brother, he's naked and he took a shit on the floor. That's nasty. Whatever. Wow. So, yeah, I'll be informing you guys, if anything else happens. And plus, I have to charge this camera, or charge the rechargeable batteries. So, I actually need to find the charger for it. Where the hell is it? Oh, it's right here. Oh my god. Well then, okay, I can't paste or I can't crap for a little while. So yeah, I'm gonna be ending the video right here, and then I think my dad's gonna be calling the plumber or the water services, somebody soon, so he can just figure out what is happening, because I think one of the pipes are busted, and that's what my brother said in the last video. So yeah, alright, so yeah, this is the end of the video. Be informing you guys. I'll be informing you guys what is gonna happen. So yeah, see you later. Peace out. Bye bye.